Good afternoon, dear students. The last class we have studied about the different types of solids: simple cubic, body centered, face centered, and the developed crystal lattices 14 Brovitz lattices. In this period, we are going to study about the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency in the sense the percentage of total space, the percentage of the total space in a solid filled by the particles. So that's about the one unit cell will be there. So the percentage of the this total space in the solid filled by the particles is called as what? The packing efficiency. For example, here it is. We are taking that one simple cube. Here the four spheres are there. Four spheres, the 1 by 8 of the four sphere is there, and again the space is gap here. So how much of the portion of the spheres occupied in the simple cubic, it's called as an the packing efficiency. Here the body center also same. The 1 by 8 of the 8 spheres at the 8 corner and 1 at the center, and remaining what the space is total occupied and what is the space is remain. That can be denoted by packing efficiency. Again here is also same, the face center. How that the face centers? The face centers half of the spheres in the all the six faces, that is 1 by 2 into 6. Again in 8 corners 1 by 8 into 8. So this is how much spheres are occupied in the space under the FCC, BCC and then simple cube, and what is the remaining space is there. That is also can be noted. Listen carefully. I think you are following. Most of the students have been observed. I think they reacted very nicely, and they are trying to get it more by the questions. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಿಂದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸಿಂದ, ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ aspect for the examination view, and the three derivations will be there on the different types of solids. Here is the packing efficiency. I already told you about the percentage of the total space in a solid filled by the particles is called as a packing efficiency. So the packing efficiency, there is a formula is there. The ratio between volume occupied by the particles or the atoms or the spheres divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. 100 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So just you follow it and then you can get clear here. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by the particles or the spheres, and here we have to go for that one different solids. Simple cubic lattice ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು particles ಇದೆ? 1 particle. Z value ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. Again the total volume of the unit cell into 100. Then come to another one, the volume of the each particle of the sphere. This is also should be known. So the total volume will be there. The volume occupied by particles here and total volume will come here. So this is the packing efficiency of the one definition and the three derivations for this one. You could observe this one, the packing efficiency here. We are going to start about the simple cubic structure. Packing efficiency of simple cube. It is very important question. Dear students, just observe. This question will be focused on the examination of you, and it will be a very easy to score marks in order to get the total weightage of the chapter. Here's the packing efficiency is there. How that the packing efficiency of the simple cube. So just to go for that one, first write how to write the diagram. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒದ್ದಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನೀವು ಮೊದಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಇದು 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿ, ನಂತರ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್. edge length of that the simple cube is a is equal to 2r. 2r ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ r plus r is equal to 2r. Again the unit cell of the unit cell, the volume of the unit cell, ಈ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ a ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ a ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ is equal to v is equal to a ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. Then a is equal to what? 2r. v is equal to a cube. Then v is equal to 2r whole cube. Then v is equal to 8r cube. 8r cube it will come here. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಟು 4/3 pi r ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲು ಎ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎನಲ್ಲಿ 2r ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೂ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಸಿಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಬೈ ಝೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ the two steps you have to follow: edge length and then getting the a value, and then v is equal to, we are getting the value, that's why v is equal to 8r cube. That 8r will come in the denominator part. Next, volume of the sphere idu numerator part, and here z ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದರೆ z1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ come to that one. Packing efficiency, we know that the formula packing efficiency of the simple cube is equal to volume occupied by the particle divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. ಪ್ರತಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 1 into 1 ಇದು ಝೆಡ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ವಿ ನೋ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. 1/8 into 8 1 ಆಟಮ್. ಈ 1 ಆಟಮು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 into 4/3 into 5r pi r cube divided by 8 r cube into 100. r cube ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ 100 into pi and 4 ones are 4 twos are 3 twos are 6. 100 pi by 6, that's you are getting 52.4%. So the 52.4% of the space is occupied by the spheres in the simple cube. अगर 52.4 occupy the remaining spaces to 100 minus 54, that you can easily calculate how much that 100 minus 54, that is called 47.6. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ the density packing efficiency of the BCC and the packing efficiency of the FCC. So the second I go for that one, packing efficiency of FCC. So here it is, packing efficiency of FCC. ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಹೌ ದಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಸಿ. ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 6 corners, half into 6, then 3 plus 4, 8 into 1/8 into 8, 1 particle, that is z is equal to how much? 4 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಫೇಸ್, ಇದಾರು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ಇದಾರು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So you should learn wherever the face you want, you can draw, but you should be careful how you are following that one. The face, the faces and different names. And here it is, edge length BC is equal to how much? Observe madili, how many circles are there? 3 circles are there, but half of the circle is radius. Illi radius 2 ide, illi radius 1 ide, here is a radius 1, 1, and BC is equal to A, and then BC is equal to what? Here is an BD is equal to A, and what about that one? B and C. BC is equal to 4R. So this is to be called as totally called as B. You become BC is equal to B and talk about B is equal to R plus R, B is equal to 4R. Then compare the values here. B is equal to 4R. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು B value ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. Applying the Pythagoras theorem, we know that BC square, observe the BC square, where it is BC square is equal to BC square is equal to CD square plus BD square. CD square plus BD square. CD square kuda A ide, BD square kuda A ide. So CD square and BD square, B square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, B square is equal to A square, B is equal to A root 2. Call this equation number 2. From 1 and 2, ಎರಡನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ B ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ B ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ. And we take that 4R is equal to A root 2 or A root 2 is equal to 4R. Then we have to get A. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು. So A is equal to what? 4R by root 2. By simplification, A is equal to what we are getting? 2R root 2. ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದ FCC is equal to, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, 4 into 4 is Z. In the FCC, number of atoms is equal to Z. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into volume of the total volume is equal to 2r2 whole cube. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2r whole cube. ಸೊ a cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ into r. By taking this all the simplification, we are getting how much? 74%. 74% space is occupied in FCC. In FCC, it occupied, the space occupied by the FCC by the spheres is 74%. And what is the space remained is there? At last here we have 26%. So this is about how that one, the BC simple cube and then FCC. Then the last one is there, BCC. BCC will be a little tricky. Easy there, but little tricky irutte. So go for the diagrams. Simple cube will easy irutte. So front ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can get only two thing. Just to observe the diagram of the BCC and FCC. Simple cube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, front any edge you can take R and R, but here is an face centered. You take any face, then you can get 4R. Similarly, we have that another one is there, the BCC. BCC is a little tricky. How it could be tricky? Just to observe this one. So I have drawn 3 diagrams. The diagram ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸು. Our students are struggling, really struggling. So how far we are going to practice it? We are asked them to draw and practice each diagram, but they are worried about to draw. How do we draw the diagram? So don't worry about the diagram, dear students. Here it is. So BCC in the sense the body centered. The line should draw through the center, and it should be the body centered. And again the edges. You can draw the body diagonal also like this. Any one diagram you can practice it. But we need this. This is a diagram. This very, very important. Some students are asking the diagram is essential or not. Yes, if the diagram is there, everything can quote in the diagram itself. Otherwise, it is very problem. So just to go for that, packing efficiency of the BCC. Here's the number of the particles in the BCC is 2 and Z is equal to 2. Then here we are getting the 2 things. One is the diagonal is there, center diagonal, that is to be called as C. Another one is the B. B is that the base diagonal. Two things we have to learn. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. BCCನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ just you are getting confusion. Don't worry, practice once or twice or thrice, definitely will get, and you will enjoy the lesson. After completing this one, you are able to get 7 marks from the chapter. You will feel very happy. By that one question you will get 3 marks. You will be very happy, and you are very near to the scoring, and you will lead towards the success of the scoring marks, and then getting the marks. Then come to this one. See ತಗೋಣ ಈಗ. What about B square? So first I go for the B square. B square is again the right angle triangle. We know that one from the Pythagoras theorem. B square is equal to again A square plus A square side and side. Then what we are getting here, anything that when B square is equal to 2A square and B is equal to 2A square, B is equal to A root 2. By simplification you will get. Again we go for the center body diagonal. C square is equal to A square plus B square. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು B square ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು first? Why do we take this one? c square. Why don't we take that one c square first, and why don't you take the b square second? First we need the b square, because here we have the values of the b square, and you get the simple form of the b square is equal to a square. Then you are getting that compensating the two values, and we are getting the simple values. So c square is equal to a square plus b square. We know the value of b square is equal to 2a square. Substitute here, c square is equal to 1a square plus 2a square, then c square is equal to 3a square. C is equal to, by making the simplification, c is equal to a root 3. Go for that equation number 1. Here is also c is equal to 4r, and here c is equal to a root r. Take that 4r and c root a root 3. Then from 1 and 2 equation, a root 3 is equal to 4r. Then we need the value of a, because we need that volume of the cube is equal to a cube. Then we need value of a. A is equal to 4r by root 3. Then v is equal to a cube. Then by simplifying, v is equal to 64 r cube divided by 3 root r. This will be the one value for the packing efficiency. Then apply that the formula. Packing efficiency, we know that one 2 into, where is the 2? The number of particles in BCC, center 1, and that the 8 corners, 8 into 1 by 8 is 1, 4 by 3, then 64. Substitute all the values, you will get 68%. Clearly observe this one, 68%, and the remaining space is 100 minus 68, that will become 32%. So these are the three important questions, dear students. These questions and notidaga you feel very happy by practicing it. You see this one, you will be enjoyed the chapter if you are interested. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ when you are start to learn that one, sit in separate room and take the papers, take your rough note, draw the diagrams, make the still on that one, and learn the things and practice it. Definitely you will get. So this is about that thing. So what are the three things are there? BCC 68%, FCC 74%, and then simple cube 52.4. See how the three different things are there here. Is an simple cube, then here is an BCC, and then FCC. FCC is more, face centered is more, simple cube is less, and then this is another one. So these are the three derivations of the thing comes under that, the packing efficiency. Just to go through that one, practice. Just to come to that another one. Another one of that one. So this is very, very important of the 2 mark questions. As we have learned all the things, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಲ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಸಿ. ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 2r, ಎ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 1. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿ 4r ಇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎ ರೂಟ್ 3, ಸಾರಿ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಎ ರೂಟ್ 3. A root 3 is equal to 4r. Then what is the value? A is equal to 4r by root 3. This is in BCC. But in FCC, it is in FCC value is equal to 4r is equal to a root 2. Then we are getting 4r is equal to a root 2. Then a root 2 is equal to 4r. A is equal to 4r divided by root 2 when z is equal to 4. So this is another question for the thing of the examination. 2 marks naಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Just to go for that one, the values, how they are going to be different. Now we are going to learn the numerical part. The numerical part of the question. The numerical part of the question is like this. So just listen. I think you are comfortable with this one. Just once again I tell you, the numerical part is mainly about the density. First you have to find how to find the derivation for the density. Then you go for the numericals. I go for the derivation for the density, but it is not there. First you have to go for that one. In one examination they ask the density, and but is purely applied for the numerical problems. So this is the numerical part, dear students. Idanna now ee numerical part alli matra nodabodu. So first one, calculation of density of unit cell. Any one density of maybe a simple cubic or maybe a FCC or maybe BCC. So here's one. Let the edge length of the unit cell is A. What about the volume of any unit cell? It is an A cube. Then what is the mass of the material 1 or the space 1 or the sphere 1 or the atoms 1? Unit cell is equal to number of atoms into mass of each atom. Unit cell is equal to number of atoms into mass of each atom. So therefore, the mass of the material in one unit cell is equal to mass of that it is Z, and that number of atoms is equal to Z, and then mass is m, small m. Come to this one here, the density of the unit cell. How do you go for density of unit cell is equal to mass of one unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, Zm divided by E cube. But one relation we know, mass of one atom is equal to capital mass, that's molar mass divided by Avogadro number. Mass of one atom is equal to molar mass divided by Avogadro number, that is m divided by n of A. So the total density, how do we go for the total density of the formula? Here is the density formula. Density is equal to Z into capital M divided by n of A into A cube. You should know this parameter, density D, and then Z and M and n of A and then A cube. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, how the questions are to be focused. You are directly asked to find density by giving all these values, Z value, M value, this is a constant number, and this value, 3 values will be given, and then you are asked to find density. Or otherwise, you are may asked to find Z, or you are may asked to find A, or maybe asked to find M, but not Avogadro number. May be given, but it is not an option. So this is about how to go for the density of the calculation of the density of the unit cell. Then after this one, how the things are go for that different densities. So here just observe the things and revise it. Then in the last class, I think you are comfortable. If you are not comfortable, just go through that one and take the gap of the 2 to 3 minutes and then go for that. Okay, so here is it about, ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲಿಯೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕಲೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಲಿತೋಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. If you have an interest, you can start it. If you don't have interest, you lose everything. So that one, interest ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. Here I want to tell about that one. If you have got an interest, you can do whatever the thing, and you can do miracle. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು. And just I go for that one. The one thing is that last ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ imperfections. Here is about the imperfections in solid. Last time ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, just explain the things. And then imperfection is any deviation or the departure from perfectly ordered arrangement of constituent particles, or any deviation, misarrangement, that is called as one defects, that's called imperfection. In imperfection, there are different types of the things are there. You could observe this one here. Here's one, the atoms are arranged but 2 atoms are missed here. This is also called as an imperfection. And observe here, in the center they have missed. This is also called as what? Imperfection. How do you go for that? These things are called as an imperfection, any deviation. So the classification of the defects is very important. But in this one question,